So it's time to talk about it, bro. We're a couple days before the release. We gotta see what these Air Jordan 1 Palominos is hitting for. And I'm not talking about the review on feet. I'm talking about how difficult it has already been trying to reserve a pair of these things right here. We're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in. You guys know it's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, man. In today's video, I really want to drop because, bro, it's been a struggle trying to figure out where I'm actually gonna secure my double up of the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. So if you're new, man, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. That'd be greatly appreciated. You guys know we grinding. We almost at 80K, bro. So close to 80K. It's so greatly appreciated. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So like I said, sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like. ASAP Rocky for your boy The Vintage. And bro, I am still not over these burgundy 5s, bro. Like, I am so happy Nike and Jordan finally decided to drop these things again. They dropped them with some nice premium material. Wish that retail wasn't $225. I think I paid $250, like I said in yesterday's video. Paid like $250 for these things with taxes. I said, bruh, I should just bought these things early. Right now they're going for under retail in most sizes, but that doesn't take away how dope this sneaker actually is, bro. I did a full review on feet. If you guys have not tapped into that one, make sure you guys go check out the latest video, and I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And if you have copped these and you're still trying to figure out what to rock with them, Outrank brand has you covered. I'm gonna link them down below as well. They got all the pair for these Jordan drops, and wait till y'all see what they're doing for these Palominos, bro. The merch that they dropping for these Palomino things, hey, I'm just gonna say them things is cold, bro. All right, man, so back to these Air Jordan 1 Palomino things. I already did the video. We said, bro, which one's the best? Is the Palominos? Is it the UNC toes? Is it the black toe lows? What is it? And there's a lot of comments in that video. So if you do wanna, you know what I'm saying, entertain that topic, that conversation, over which one is the best Jordan 1 of the year, go ahead and go check out the latest video over that topic. Me, like I said, I'm still going with these Palomino things, bro. I love them, the quality, the colorway, the craftsmanship. Everything they did with these is A1, bro. I ain't gonna cap with y'all. And that's what I'm telling y'all, bro. I need a double up of these things, bro. I need it. Like, it ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. That's why I'm over here making this video now. These things might be more limited than what we think, bro. And I even talked about this in the video over which one's best, the Palominos, UNC toes, you know, in a bunch of different groups on Twitter, on IG. A lot of people saying these are not gonna be as easily accessible as the UNC toes, which I kind of already figured, but it kind of hit me today when I went on the Champ Sports. I went on Foot Locker. Neither one of those stores, and I have like a bunch of Foot Lockers here. Then we got about 2 Champs, if not one, but I know we got multiple Foot Lockers here, and none of them, not one of them is getting the Air Jordan 1 Palominos. And that kind of tells you how difficult it might be. It's gonna be difficult trying to get these in my area, bro. So I don't know about y'all area, but when I did search around the radius where I'm at, it was only like one store getting the Palomino Air Jordan 1s, bro. I know the Finish Line and JDEA did go out today, so hopefully a lot of people did secure them. But for me, and for probably a lot of people in the US, it's gonna be banking on, you know what I'm saying, Nike sneakers to give them that dub over the Palominos, bro. I think it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to cop, might be a little bit more limited. I cannot wait to get the, you know, the stock numbers, because it's looking a little scarce out there, bro. It's looking scarce, and that's probably why they haven't did like a shock drop or an EA or anything like that, because these things are, you know what I'm saying, slightly more limited than our normal Air Jordan 1. Like the UNC toes were everywhere. I know I keep talking about them. Let me go ahead and grab them real quick, bro. So these right here were everywhere. It was so easy to get a pair. It was pairs sitting on sneakers out for a little bit, and it was still pairs sitting in some stores. But I think it's gonna be a totally different ball game for these Palominos, bro. And I know I keep on showing y'all, they still ain't laced up check, but just know, I might drop it either tomorrow or Friday. Gotta give you guys a full review and on feed, and then we gotta do that recap the day of to see how true these rumors of them being limited are. I can see a lot of people sitting in lines for these, trying to figure out how they gonna secure a pair, because I know once these do drop, We're gonna hear a lot of people chirping about them. We're gonna hear a lot of people saying Nike bogus for this. They ain't doing a shot drop, no EA, anything like that. And it's gonna be a good day as far as, you know, sneaker wise. Like good topics, good talks, you feel me? Seeing how people's day went as far as the Palominos. And I know it might be bad for me too, bro. Cause like I said, I want 2 pair, bro. I want 2 pair, man. Like that's all I've been saying all year. Ever since I unboxed the first pair, or this pair right here, I said, bro, it's a must for me to double up because I know this fall time, these things gonna get some wears, bro. These things definitely gonna get some wears. And I remember last year when the mochas dropped, or it might have been the year before last when the mochas dropped, everybody had a pair of mochas on during that fall time. The fits was A1. And for me, you guys know, bro, it ain't all about just buying the shoes. I actually like rocking my sneakers. Like as time permits, you feel me? As the time does come around, I do like to rock my sneakers, contrary to popular belief. I know people probably think I just collect a bunch of sneakers, which I do. I don't wear a lot of them. I got shoes all in the closet, all in the other room. It's crazy, but when I get around to them, just know I definitely gotta break out, you know what I'm saying, these Palomino Air Jordan 1s, man. So before I let you guys off the hook today, I need to know who all hit on that JD and Finish Line EA. Let me know if you secured them, you know, confirmed them somewhere already via a raffle. Let me know something, bro. Am I the only one in this position to where it's just kind of hard to find these in your area, bro? Like I said, it was not one Foot Locker or Tim Sports getting them. I called around to my local City Gears. Only one City Gears getting them. I don't know what that was about. Maybe they are getting like their shipment in later, or maybe they just don't want to tell me stuff. These couple City Gears I be hitting up, bro, they be a little bit sketchy, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I need to talk to the manager or something, because it's just, sometimes it's terrible going into City Gears, bro. Like, now the customer service ain't all the way there, bro. I ain't trying to throw no dimes, but they gotta be better around here, bro. So like I said, man, that full review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Palominos will be coming Friday. I'm gonna drop it Friday, bro. Might even be Thursday or Friday. Just stay tuned, bro. I got y'all. Promise you. The visuals, the B-roll, the on feet, what pants to rock, all that stuff, how to lace them. I try to wrap all it up into one video. Like I said, Outring brand has some, oh my God. Outring brand has some dope stuff for y'all on these Palominos. I cannot wait to drop that fit pic. Seeing what, you know what I'm saying, Outring did for the Palomino drop. Just know these things is gas. The fit's gonna be hard. Fall time sneaker, the best Jordan 1 of the year in my opinion. Will be definitely a dope drop day. I can't wait, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Like I always say, if you are new, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a huge like before you slide out today's video. Trying to give you guys as much, you know what I'm saying, good quality, consistent content as I can. So if you guys do appreciate that, like I said, go ahead and hit that like button and drop some comments down below. You guys know I respond to every single comment, man. Again, thanks so much for tapping in. Thanks for, you know what I'm saying, come listen to what your boy is talking about. And all this being said, I'm gonna catch you boys in the next video, man. Peace.